Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Homecoming. So guys, this episode starts off with uZethu. She is sitting ekishini nabazali bakhe, and uZethu is not okay. Phela uZethu guys ubhaqe uZenzo ubaba wakhe while he was busy ebusuku, busy pouring imbiza kaSifiso. And obviously uZethu is mad and offended because how is her father going to get imbiza from Sifiso while he's living with a daughter of his who's a doctor within the same household? So anyway, uZethu then says, sekukangaki ningikhumbuza ukuthi nadala okuningi kangakanani ukuthi mina ngiqede isikolo sokudokotela. Kodwa sekuyini manje eningijikelayo? Ningitshela ukuthi aningithembi ukuthi ngiyisebenzise leyo degree yami. uMashabalala then says, Zethu, uyihlo, he did not mean it kanjalo mntanami. uZethu then says, uphanda ukuthini ke ma? Ngoba ngendlela engiyibona ngayo mina, aningethembanga to use my degree ukuze ngimsize ubaba. Emva kwayo yonke into engidlule kuyo, nebhodi, no-matron, naze nangiphula inhliziyo yami, angifuni ungasho. uZenzo then says, uyabona ke, yisona sizathu that we didn't want to tell you. Ngoba ngiyazi usunomthwalo omusha obhekene nawe ekliniki, hayi mina. uZethu then says, baba, nina ngabe nazi kangcono that le mithwalo ngingayithwala yombili. Ngiyazi sengingudokotela osebenzayo, kodwa ngiyindodakazi yakho qala. That's the most important thing. uMashabalala then says, Zethu, musa mntanami usenza sizizwe ingathi sinecala thina. Sizama ukuvikela wena lana. uZethu then says, kulungile ke. Kodwa ngiyekeleni to examine ubaba, ngifuna ukwazi mina yini le emphethe bese ngiyamnikeza imithi yangempela, hayi lamakhathakhatha kaSifiso. Kwazi ba une-damage engakanani emzimbeni wakho baba? uZenzo then says, akukho engidingayo mina. uZethu then says, uyabona ke baba? uZenzo then says, mntanami, I trust these herbs kaSifiso. Futhi kumanje nje I feeling ngathi sengizizwa kangcono. What you should do wena is focus on izigulane zakho, uhlukane nami, okay? And then avela phakame guys, and he lives nje kanjalo. uMashabalala then says, Ntombi Zethu mntanami, uyabona ke mntanami yonke lento eyenzakalayo, nami ngizamile. Isinqumo sababa wakho lesi, asivele simyekele ngani yami. And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, there is a truth in that. uZethu needs to respect her father's decisions. At the end of the day, it's his health, it's his body. I know it's kind of offensive because maybe she's taking it in a way, yobuti. Maybe her father is undermining her skills. But there's just people like that, guys. They prefer immediacy to over your westernized, is it Western medicine or whatever it is. Anyway, le ekliniki, one patient, guys, uleli phansi amanesi uThando benophindile busy qaqaring indaba while one patient is sick to a point that is laying on the floor. So anyway, uphindile is saying to uThando, hayi bombemu, you've done your fancy nails again. uThando then says, ngithe nje kulo Sifiso wenza inzipho mngani ukuthi akakhipha ubhozo enze nezi ezenziwa abosisi laba ba-right. uphindile then says, kodwa mpeni bese uwasha kanjani? Mina yazi I can't do anything ngey'nzipho. uThando then says, ingoba uqoma osikhotheni phindile. uphindile then says, ngiqoma osikhotheni mina. uThando then says, ingakho ke. As she's speaking like that, uZethu walks in. uZethu immediately sees the patient on the floor and she rushes to the patient. uThando and uphindile, the way they busy ngey'ndaba laphana, they didn't even see uZethu walk in. So uZethu then says to the man sleeping on the floor, baba, sawubona, unesikhathi esingakanani ulana? The man then says, uyawubona lo line? Lokho ngimile, awunyakazi, we've been waiting here. uphindile and uThando are busy there. uphindile then says, ubani ojola nosikhotheni wena? uThando then says, ubheka isizwe phela isikhotheni mngani, udla i-energy boost neshwama, cabanga nje. uZethu is standing there and they still can't notice her. She then says, yay, nicabanga ukuthi nenzani nina? The patients have been here since 7 a.m. Ani ududuna ngani lo line lo? You busy ngey'ndaba lana. uphindile then says, cha mphathi, besizowududula lo line. And then uZethu then says, pho, phela senzani? bengabe umsebenzi uyanihlula nina leyo. As she's speaking like that, umatron walks in. She then says, Dr. Hlongwane, i-office lami njengamanje. Uzethu follows umatron to her office. Uthando, the one that doesn't like Uzethu the most, she's rolling her eyes. She's like, hey bo, imihlola yethu yazi. Few moments later, as umatron is walking into her office, she then says, yazi umthetho wakho, angazi ukuthi ikhanda lakho lisebenza kanjani wena ntombazane. Yazi nale professionalism encane ebengicabanga ukuthi unayo has left through your ears. Uzethu then says, angizwanga. Umatron then says, yini lento qeda uyenza? Uhlazi staff sam phambi kweyiguli. Uzethu then says, your staff doesn't care about iy'guli. Babhizi ngeindaba lapha reception. Nenzani kanti la? Yiyona ndlela ophatha ngayo le ndawo, matron. Umatron then says, oh, lalela wentombazana. Awazi lutho ngendlela engiyiphatha ngayo le ndawo. Ngiyabahlonipha abantu abasebenza ngaphansi kwami. Angifani nawe mina. Khona manje, I know how important my work is. And these people are humans. They deserve to be respected, to be treated with respect. Something ke wena ongayazi ofunde edolobheni la ubuya khona. Uzethu then says, edolobheni sifundiswe ukuthi amanesi ayabahlonipha odokotela. Umatron then says, ucabanga ukuthi bazokuhlonipha kanjani usayiphethe kanje? Ngifuna wazi ngaphandle kwalabo nesi awulutho wena, useless. Fanele ubahloniphe njengabantu. I don't even know why I'm telling you this. Ngoba uyakhombisa awusile la ekhanda lakho wena. You don't know what you are doing. Shuthi nje you are not even ready for this job. Yazi ukuthini? Get out. Get out. Phuma la e-ofisini lami. And Uzethu just looks at umatron, and Uzethu walks out. Umatron is left there, ekhefuzela, breathing in and out. Guys, the way umatron edelela ngakhona, I'm just like, no, someone was even saying that umatron needs to get a boyfriend because shuthi khona la kushota khona. That's making her miserable and taking it out on Uzethu. And the thing is, inhlonipho Uzethu is speaking about is not about or is not directed towards the staff. It's directed towards umatron. Because umatron is the one who's making the staff disrespect Uzethu. At this point, I honestly wish that Uzethu would have taken out her phone and record umatron and send it to the people above them, because there's no way she's going to work in peace with in an environment like this with umatron. Anyway, next scene we see uMashabalala and her husband Uzenzo base lounge and they are drinking tea. So uMashabalala then says, njengoba Uzethu sekalazi iqiniso baba, kungcono ukuthi sivele simvumele ukuthi akuphelonke ukuze kube nokuthula la ekhaya. Ngiyazi myeni wami awuthanda ukuthi ingane zakhe zikubone untekenteke, kodwa Uzethu lento imphethe kabi, iyamlimaza. Ingane yivumele baba, njengoba ebuye la ekhaya ibe yilunga lomndeni ngokuphelele. As uMashabalala speaking like that, Uzenzo tries to pick up the cup ikomishi, guys, but his hand, it's like it's shaking and his hand is not allowing him to pick up leyo nkomishi. uMashabalala looks at him. Uzenzo looks back at his wife and is like, Mashabalala, uyabona ukuthi nginjani? Angikwazi ukuvumela Uzethu angibone nginje. I want her to look at her father and see a strong and a healthy man. Hayi indoda entekenteke. uMashabalala then says, baba, awukho ntekenteke, uyagula. Uzenzo then says, ngizozama ukukhuluma naye Uzethu, ngizame ukumbonisa, ukumenza ukuthi aqonde ukuthi I'm not rejecting her love or her place in this family, but I have boundaries that I'm not ready to cross. uMashabalala then says, kulungile baba, ngicabanga ukuthi noma lento izomphatha kabi, but at least it's a fresh start if you have a conversation with her. Anyway, next scene, guys, we see uThando. She is busy with the patient laphayana, so she's speaking to the patient. She's like, uzoba ngcono manje nje bhuti, athi ngibeke lokhu ke. As she's taking out another injection, the patient holds his throat, guys. Aba, he's struggling to breathe. He's breathing heavily there. He's running out of air. uThando then says, kwenzenjani? All right, zama ukuphefumula kahle. Okay, lala phansi okungcono. She tries putting him down, guys. Next thing, the patient can't even speak. Uthandoza kwenze njani? All right. Hi Bo. Now she's starting to tatazela, guys. Uzethangene. She's like, kwenze njani Thando? Nimpe Thando. Nimpe penicillin, whatever medication that is. Uthando then says, uthe une infection. Uzethi then says, lo muntu une allergy Thando. Aniwabheki yini ama-file. Uthando there, she's panicking, guys. Uzethi goes over and she helps. She's like, ngicela oxygen. Susum amelo lana. At this point, guys, the patient is shaking uncontrollably. There Uzethi is trying. She gives the patient umjovo. He calms down, and then the shaking stops, and then Uzethi tries and do breathing techniques with him. But you can see, guys, that patient was about to lose his life. Few moments later, guys, we see Uthando. She is standing at Pasijini crying alone. About this whole incident, guys, it shook her. And then Ubabu Mandla comes over to her, upete ijuice. He then says, how Thando, sonke siyawenza amaphutha. Don't, beat yourself up over this whole thing. Uthando then says, yo, if ebengekho uDr. Hlongwane, I don't know what was going to become of me. Umandla then says, no, like, just calm down, don't. As he's speaking like that, umatron aze. Umatron's like, oh, shithi kumnandi lana. Nimile lana niyaxoxa. Nitadile ngama-complaint. Remember, matron wants the staff, guys, to put in complaints so that who's there to act from that clinic. So then, unukuzana, Uthando then says, hey, matron, I've had a long day. Angikho right. I don't think I'm going to be able to do the complaints, manje. Matron then says, hey, Thando, and that's your kosho win. This clinic was not made to be great by great doctors and great nurses. No, your loyalty. So uyamkhumbuza ukuthi loyalty to me qala. So Uthando then says, hey, kodwa uDr. Zethu Hlongwane, she assisted me namhlanje. There was a patient who almost died and whatnot. Umatron then says, ingakho-ke ngisisho ukuthi asibhaleni ama-complaints, because once lo Dr. Zethu Hlongwane goes out of this place, sizosebenza kahle, isiphithiphithi sizophela lana. Cabanga, guys, Uthando is trying to tell her ukuthi Zethu saved the day. Instead, Umatron is saying, no, Zethu didn't save the day. She is the cause of this whole chaos. But you can see, guys, ukuthi Uthando uthukile, she is scared of Umatron, and it looks like she is going to betray Uzethu and write that complaint, even though Uzethu assisted her. Anyway, last scene there, we see Unga, he is drinking a lounge, guys. Uphiza udlala uGrom laphayana, he's drinking uphiya wakhe. Uzethu comes back from work again. When she comes through the door, she's like, how Unga? Unga guys agamuza because of the music. She then says, hey, funa enye bandayo. She can see ukuthi uyamziba. She goes closer. Unga, at this point, he has fallen asleep, or maybe he didn't fall asleep. He's just pretending to not to be sleeping so that Uzethu can just leave him alone. So she then says, Ngaranje. And then he wakes up. She's like, Sawubona, ngikuthole nomunye uphiya. Unga then says, cha, I think this will be my last one. Uzethu then says, okay. She sits down. She's like, how? Because she can see Unga is not okay. Unga then says, lutho. Ngizela amathambo engqondo nje. Uzethu then says, how? Ngitshele how. La ekhaya anisafuna ukuthi ngingisize. Tell me what you're thinking so that I can give you some advice. Unga then says, bengishilo nje, akunalutho etheni. Ngiright Zethu. Uzethu then says, okay, let me forget about work and all the serious stuff. Bekunjani ethaveni? Unga then says, umsebenzi. Uzethu then says, okay, ngiya-understanda ngendlela ophendula ngayo. I guess when you've been working endaweni for far too long, ugcina kungabi samnandi nje yabo. Zithini inhlelo zakho ke nga? Unga then says, inhlelo zani manje? Uzethu then says, what you want to do once you sowukhathele ngethaveni. Unga then says, why mele ngishiye umsebenzi wami? Ingikhokhela kahle ithaveni. Ngikhokhela imali enhle kabi. And it's close la ekhaya. Uzethu then says, ngaranje kahle. You way too smart to spend the rest of your life as isicashalala sikashwabi. Ungaya e-university, uthole i-diploma, futhi wena yakwazi ngisho ukubala. Wazi nje imali. Wazi nalezi scams ama-trading, she laughs there. She's like, kodwa-ke whatever it is, ubaba will make you name your business ngegama lakhe. Guys, the way he's so annoyed, he then says, manje ungibona njengesahluleki ngoba nakho anginayo le degree onayo to show that I can also make a success of myself. Uzethi then says, hawu angisho njalo. Then says, uthini ke? Uzethi then says, I'm just giving you advice. Then says, what kind of advice is this? What you telling me right now, akuyona advice. Into engiyibonayo lana, yukuthi wena ubunosuku olubi emsebenzini, manje ubuya la, uzozikhumbuza ngami, ukuthi wena uyinto engcono. Mina ngi-useless nje. You're useless brother who sells at the local tavern, ethengisa amabhiya for idawa. Uzethu like, how? Nakujise ivelaphi le nkulumo yakho nga? Then says, iyancika le nto yakho Zethu. Siyinhlezi la. Uhlezi uyenza when you come back into this house, iyangicasula njengamanje, ingenza ngisangane nje, ingathi ngahlanzela phezu kwakho nqa. He gets up, he's like, do it. Uzethu like, hayi bo. Ungaraje just walks out, guys, out the door and he bangs the door. Uzethu like, hayi bo Ungaraje. And the scene just ends like that. Guys, what's up with this brother? Yo uzethu shame ayi uzifanela noSibongile amabhadi after amabhadi just when you think ukuthi izinto ziyalunga. Guys, yeah. Anyway, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.